y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener. I'm out in the backyard today and I'm about to cut floral for a bouquet for a sweet friend who's going through a tough time. So I'm going to cut some zinnias, some celosia, some sweet William, and put it together in a sweet little bouquet of bright pink cones for her. Enjoy! Okay, so I've picked a bunch of zinnias, some hot pink celosia, some sweet William blooms in here. I also trimmed some ligustrum from some bushes that I really need to be trimming back soon. I'll probably be doing a video on that. I've got this beautiful blue and white pot, ceramic pot I got from Michael's, 50% off during their spring summer sale. And I thought the blue looked really great with this bright pink. Then I've got some binding wire to tie off my bouquet when I'm done. My clippers as well. I'm gonna be designing in my hand and then placing the entire bouquet in the pot. Enjoy!